The discussion differs in that none of the opponents aims to defeat the other. Each of speakers presents his point of view in order to find a solution to the problem that suits all participants. It's in such disputes that the truth is born. The dispute was originally public defense of a scientific essay.
In addition to the positive topics, these liquid biofuels have some disadvantages. There are three disadvantages. First is the regional suitability is limited. Second is a large amount of water is used, and the second one is the climate restriction. Biofuel is a biodegradable, renewable, harmless fuel, and due to the fact that it does not belong to a food crop, attention has been paid to cyanobacteria as a source of material for obtaining high lipids in the productions of biofuels.
Cyanobacteria for biodiesel are characterized by a higher and lipid content and faster growth intensity compared to vegetable oil. Some species of cyanobacteria have a high fat content, up to 60% of their dry biomass weight.
Aigirim, how do you understand the term cyanobacteria?
Cyanobacteria are a division of large gram-negative bacteria capable of photosynthesis, accompanied by the release of oxygen.
I found an article about biodiesel. Biodiesel is a form of diesel fuel derived from plants or animals and consisting of long-chain fatty acid esters. It is typically made by chemically reacting lipids such as animal fat, tallow, soybean oil, or some other vegetable oil with an alcohol producing a methyl, ethyl, or propyl ester by the process of transesterification. Biodiesel can be used in pure form or may be blended with petroleum diesel at any concentration in most injection pump diesel engineers. Biodiesel has been known to break down deposits of residue in the fuel lines where petrodiesel has been used. As a result, fuel filters may become clogged with particulates if a quick transition to pure biodiesel is made. Therefore, it is recommended to change the fuel filters on engines and heaters shortly after for switching to a biodiesel blend.
Dinara told me that biodiesel can be obtained from cyanobacteria, but I think it can be obtained from other types of microalgae, since all these species release lipids from the membrane, and from these lipids we get biodiesel.
Of all the above, a discussion is the simplest and most common phenomenon. This is a clash of opinions, a verbal struggle in which each side actively defends its rightness. The discussion most often arises spontaneously. Debaters cannot prepare for a verbal duel in advance, so they are helped by eloquence and erudition. Sometimes a discussion is initially started not in order to convince.
Cyanobacteria have great potential as a platform for biofuel production because of their fast growth, ability to fix carbon dioxide gas, and their genetic tractability. Furthermore, they do not require fermentable sugars or arable land for growth, and so competition with cropland will be greatly reduced. In this perspective, we discuss the challenges and areas for improvement post-patented for advancing cyanobacteria fuel production, including improving genetic parts, carbon fixation, metabolic flux, nutrient requirements on a large scale, and photosynthesis efficiency using natural light. Alternatively, the use of photosynthetic microorganisms as a platform for biological fuel production has gained considerable popularity as an option that could potentially avoid some of the problems of fermentation. As photosynthesis, microorganisms directly fix carbon dioxide as their primary carbon source. The need for a source of fermentable sugars as a carbon feedstock for biological fuel production could be eliminated.